Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so this is for the month of May. Okay, so titingnan natin kung anong meron energy surrounding the collective. So again, isang requirement ko para matawag kitang collectives ng Fias Tarot, dapat naka-follow and subscribe ka. Okay, so yun lang, simple lang. So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, don't forget to follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. And kung may mga tanong pagdating po sa ating mga items, okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, okay, meron tayong necklace, okay, so yung necklace natin is like this, okay, so ito yung necklace, yan, okay. And then, bracelet natin is ganito. So, meron tayong adjustable and garterized. So, yung adjustable is available in red strings. Okay? And syempre, nilalagyan namin ng initial yun. Parang customized, no? And, yung ating, this is not, kasama. Yung ating love bracelet. So, si love bracelet, pwede yan sa singles, sa may mga conflicts, pagdating sa kanilang mga kakonek. Yan, okay? So, ang ipoprovide nito is yung dapat. Okay? Kung anong dapat. Hindi yung hinihingi mo. Hindi yung parang tingin mo gusto ko to kahit ganito, kahit masakit or whatsoever. Ipoprovide nito is yung para sa'yo. Okay? So, kung may mga mangyayari na parang, okay, may mga tatanggalin, may mga aalisin, just go with the flow. Wag mong labanan. Okay? Pag nilabanan mo, ewan kung mangyayari sa'yo. Okay? So, kaya nga may ganito para ma-ibalanse ng tama kung anong mga dapat. This is for love. Okay? This is for love. Ayaw mo ba nung person mo talaga? Parang inaayawan mo yung person mo kung lalabanan mo. Okay? And syempre, si Granter. Si Granter necklace is made to order. Okay, made to order yung Granter necklace natin po ha. This is non-tarnished, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Okay, so si Granter is taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay, and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Ulitin ko, lahat ng minamanifest mo, kung hindi dumadating, meaning to say, hindi mo ka-frequency yun. Kung ano man yung hinihingi mo, hindi mo pa ka-frequency. Okay? So, kung hindi pa pwedeng ibigay ni Granter yung para sa'yo, may mga surprises siyang ibibigay. Okay? Yun. Para syempre, Diyos ko, alam nga naman, pabayaan ka. 'Di ba? So, yun po ha. Huwag niyong iisipin na, ba yan, hindi niyo binibigay. Akala ko bibigay. Ang tanong ko, ano bang meron pagdating sa'yo, sa frequency mo, sa energy mo, okay ba? At ang isa pa dito, hindi natin alam, okay, gawa naman po ako ng gawa Gumagamit ka rin ba ng evil eye? Sinasabayan mo ba? Pinoprotektahan mo ba yung energy mo mula sa iba? Yun ang tanong. Hindi natin alam na sasabotahin na tayo ng iba. Gumagawa ka nga. Pero may protection ka ba pagdating sa iyong energy at frequency laban sa iba? Yun ang tanong. Okay? So, kung may iba pang tanong ha, pagdating kay Granter. So, yung atin namang cord cutting. Pang cord cut. So, wala na kayong gagawin sa part nyo. Okay? Kailangan mo lang to. So, si cord cut, pagtatanggal, pag-aalis ng mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakadikit pa rin sa'yo. Okay? yun po ang ating gagawin sa cord cut. Madalas mga energy coming from the past. Ayun ang ating mga nakikita dyan, no? Anyway, so yeah, let's start the reading. Mahalaga yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina kasi may mga tanong, may mga sinagot akong tanong doon sa aking mga in-spiel, no? Anyway, so collectives, ano bang meron ngayong May? Okay, May. Nagbilang pa talaga, no? Ano bang meron para sa inyo, mga collectives? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pasensya na po ha, ako yung mauubo kasi ako yung may ubo. Oo. I'm still healing, diba? Recovering. Yeah, ako yung nagkasakit. So, collectives, what's for you? What's for collectives? 7 of Swords in reverse, 2 of Wands, pwede may malalaman ka. Ano to? 7 of Swords. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, magkakaroon ka ng doubt. Pwedeng related sa regarding sa workplace. Sana hindi to mga secret connections. Okay? Some of you, may mga pag-iisipan ka. There's this offer coming in. Yeah, there's an offer. Pwede kasing ang hirap oohan. Lalo na, pwedeng workplace. Sa workplace to. Sana workplace na lang. Or maybe business. Some of you, this is partnership, collaboration, or proposal, or something like pagtaas, no? Pero may kaakibat kung ano man yun, kanya-kanya, no? Kaya parang pag-iisipan maigi. Some of you, there's this somebody who is sabotaging you sa workplace. May paninira ako nakikita dito. Okay? Merong mga pwedeng malaman ka na parang hindi mo muna kailangang reaction agad. Sabihin nating hindi muna agad tayo dapat mag-judge whatsoever. Okay? This coming May. Okay? The Queen of Swords. So, siguro bago tayo magsalita, magbigay ng opinion, kunin natin kung ano bang meron talaga pagdating sa story na pwede nating malaman. Okay? Bago tayo magsabi. The Moon. Hindi natin kasi alam lahat Okay? Huwag tayong titingin sa isang side lang ng storya. Okay? May mga ganun din. So, that's general. Okay? So, what else? What else? I'm seeing some of you making a decision. Okay? Like, sabihin natin, a head decision. Not a heart decision. Okay? What else? Collectives. Justice. Okay. What's with that? 7 of... Okay. So, meron ditong mga perang maibabalik. Okay? Pagdating ng May. See? The 10 of Pentacles. May mga perang maibabalik dito. So, general, may mga perang babalik. So, I'm hearing ROI. Return of investment, some of you. Okay? The Sun in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, there's this unexpected na sabihin natin na sitwasyon na pwedeng akala mo hindi na mababalik, hindi na mababayaran whatsoever. May nakita akong energy na pwedeng a surprise, no? Unexpected money na pwedeng dumating. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo may nawala. May nawala na pera, na scam or what. Yung iba naririnig ko parang hindi ko alam through online pwedeng hindi na ibalik yung pera. Pero nakikita ko by May ibabalik. Darating. Okay? Yeah. Some of you unexpected proposal. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, pwede may mag-propose by May. Yung iba dito nakakita ko ng pregnancy. Unexpected. Unexpected pregnancy, okay? So, if ever you're not ready, then be careful. Use protection. Okay? So, yeah. What else for the collectives? What else? Four of Wands. That's stability. Building. Something foundation. Parang ganyan. What's with that? Four of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng may imbitahan ka sa isang kasal. Okay? An occasion, in general, may imbitahan ka. What's with this Four of Wands? The King of Cups in reversed. What's with this King of Cups in reverse? Some of you, if you're not ready in love, there's something, an energy, somebody's energy coming in na pwedeng may dalang, sabihin natin for long term na. This is like your person. Okay? Your actual person. Yung pwedeng may forever na. Pero some of you, you're not ready. Or maybe you're, sabihin natin, emotionally not ready. Yeah, there's this genuine love. Genuine connection coming in. What's with this King of Cups in reversed? Are you ready na magkaroon na ng karelasyon? Like, sabihin nating totoo. Yung Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Ace of Cups in reversed. I don't know. Some of you, you're not ready. Yeah. Okay? Meron ditong parating. Some of you, singles, na parang wala nang inatupag kundi, I don't know, trabaho, kaya, or pagiging single, kaya hindi pa makapasok. Parang ganon. Or hindi kayo available, kasi mas pinipili nyo maging single, or sabihin natin inuuna nyo stability nyo. Pero yeah, there's this pwedeng may lumagpas na magandang opportunity in love ngayong May. Okay? Yeah, the Tower. What's with this Four of Wands? Let's see. Yeah. Sheesh. The Magician. This is coming from the divine, the world. This is coming from the universe. Okay? So, yeah. Iba sa inyo, kung ikaw itong parang hindi pa rin makaget over sa nagloko sa'yo. No, well, sasayangin mo to. Masasayang to. Dadaan lang to, my gosh. Sa mga talagang naghahanap na ng kanilang forever. Tigil-tigilan nyo na yung mga sino man yung mga nasa past ninyo na parang tingin nyo yun na. Pero I don't think so. No, I don't think na sila yun. Kasi si universe na yung gagawa ng way if ever na parang ilang beses nang tinanggal sa'yo. Mga ganong bagay. No? So inilalaban mo pa. Mapapagod ka lang. Okay, so better na surrender mo lang yan. Kasi may parating. If you're interested, yeah, may parating. This is long term. I'm seeing here marriage. Yeah, this is coming from the divine. This is the right timing na pwedeng darating na sa'yo yung person mo, pero pwedeng masabotahe kasi some of you are not ready or not available or whatsoever. Okay? So, there. So, next, let's see. Ano bang meron? Okay, sa love. Kuha tayo ng situation in love. Okay. Situation sa mga collectives. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Situations in love. Anong meron? The one that got away. May energy ng the one that got away. The Four of Cups in reverse. Yeah. The Ten of Pentacles. Ito yung sitwasyon na parang ang hirap makuha. Yeah, the one that got away. Ikaw yung parang gusto ko makasama habang buhay whatsoever. Yeah. Kung may nangyari pong ganyan, the person miss you. Yep. They miss you. Knight of Swords in reversed. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. And some of you, itong taong to, wala na silang hindi na sila open pagdating sa new connection. It's like ang hirap na naman magsimula, parang ganyan. Kaya magsesettle na lang talaga ako dapat kay collectives, parang ganun. Pero hindi ko inaasahan na mawawala pa rin pala. Yeah. Mas pipiliin ng taong to talaga na maging single na lang muna. Yeah, that's being single. Being happy, no? Yeah, the Tower is here. Some of you, this is karmic. Opo. Yung nakikita ko rito, pwedeng you're the one that got away ng isang tao. Pwedeng inalisan mo kasi some of you, mayroong family involved. Or pwedeng sila, yung may family na involved. Hindi nila kaya. Parang ganun. Anyway, so, yeah, they like you. You're their wish fulfillment, pero, yeah, the one that got away. Kung sino man to. So, yeah, pwedeng message ito para sa'yo. You're still in their head. Hindi to agad-agad mawawala. Hindi to agad-agad sabihin nating makakapag-detach, makakalimot. Ang hirap ng ganito, no? Mga ganitong connection. Some of you, kung ikaw itong nasa third party involvement at alam mo na kailangan mong bumitaw, kailangan mo ng peace of mind, hindi ka na nakakakuha ng peace of mind if ever, then bigay mo na sa sarili mo yung peace of mind. Kailangan mo nang i-release yung sarili mo from this connection. Okay? Yeah, you see them as the Ten of Pentacles eh. The Ten of Pentacles is somebody na pwedeng gusto mo na makasama forever. Pero hindi naman pwede. Hindi pwede. Sinasabi dito, hindi pwede. So, kung yung person mo, pwede naman, ganto ganyan, then this is not for you. I'm seeing here like third party connections. Like, yeah, person. Okay? Kasi kung ito naman ay trabaho lang, may mga pwede pang gawin eh. May mga adjustments pang pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, what else? Ano pang meron? Sa singles, tingnan natin. Anong meron sa singles? Ngayong May. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Chariot. Okay. So, there's this fast connection na pwedeng mangyari this May. This coming May. The Four of Pentacles. Okay. So, there's this attachment. Yung parang sobrang dali na nagkaroon ng connection with this person. Madali ring ma-attach. Meron ditong madaling ma-attach. Yeah, strength. Some of you, this person, sabihin nating mahilig sa travel, mahilig sa sasakyan. Excuse me. Okay? Nakakita ko ng person dito, somebody who's like physically fit. Muscular, kung lalaki. But yeah, be careful. Oo, sumilip si Seven of Swords and si King of Swords in reversed. Be careful. So, pwedeng may mafo-fall agad dito. Talaga, like, deep. So, tingin ko dito is bitag. Oo. Na ang daming spike na nakalagay sa ilalim. No, let's see. Yeah, the Ten of Wands, the Five of Wands. Be careful. Okay, if there's this sabihin natin fast connection na pwedeng mangyari. Sabihin natin parang biglaan na lang. Ganto na agad siya, ganto ka na agad sa kanya, something like that. Yeah, some of you have to hold back. Give healthy boundaries. Magkaroon ka ng limit. Okay? Kasi ayaw natin to. Ayaw natin ang drama. Yeah, see? If ever, kung kaya mong maglagay ng, yun nga, healthy boundaries, if you can avoid, maybe, sabihin nating agad-agarang connection ngayong May, mas maganda. Hindi naman kailangang madaliin eh. Pero this person, I see them na parang madaling. Like, meron ng something gustong mangyari agad kahit nagkakakilanlan pa lang kayo. Parang ganon. No? So, ayaw natin yun. Parang ikaw na mismo tumutulak sa sarili mo sa bangin. Parang ganon eh. No, hindi naman tayo atat. Di po ba? Hindi naman, siguro. No? Kayo lang din mahihirapan in the end. The Ten of Wands. Okay? This is a gabay for you singles. Okay? So, meron nagsasabi, madam, ako po ay may asawa na at ako'y gan. Diyan ka sa asawa mo. Huwag ka makinig nito. This is for singles. Diba? Anyway, so don't get too attached, no, agad-agad sa mga connections na pwedeng mangyayari ngayong May. Excuse me. So let's see. The person on your mind, collectives. What's with your person? Who is this? Ano magiging takbuhan? Ano meron? Energy surrounding the connection with your person. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino ba to? The Three of Wands in reverse. And the Page of Swords. You're stalking them. No communication, a little to no communication maybe, Some of you, there's this energy of parang lumubog, lumitaw itong taong to. Walang blocking. Ako nakikita, walang blockages sa messages. Kasi nai-stalk. O, diba? So, pagbibigyan ko na kayo, opo. So, may chance din naman talaga na pwedeng sa online to. Okay? Yeah. So, parang walang naging rason o dahilan ang nakikita ko ditong pagtalikod. So, parang malaking question mark sa'yo. Okay? Itong taong to, ang dami mong hinahanap sa kanya. Pero parang hindi mo alam kung totoo ba or what. Marami kang tanong na pwedeng hindi niya nabibigyang linaw, hindi niya nasasagot ng ayos. Feeling mo meron kang may kailangan ka pang malaman, something like that. So, anong meron sa sitwasyon? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Collectives. The Moon in reversed. The Two of Wands. Na yung taong to, sabihin nating lagi na lang open sa mga taong nagbibigay ng emotional support. Support pagdating sa kanya. Yeah, see the Three of Cups, the Three of Swords. Okay, dito po natatapos. Ayun na. Oh, ayun na. Meaning to say, kung parang meron kang doubt sa person, then, yeah, if you're feeling odd, yeah, may sinasabi ka, I feel, something odd sa person ko. Then, some of you, yung person is hindi nagiging open, like totally, emotionally, hindi vulnerable. Their intention is unclear, then there's something wrong. Okay? Then there's something wrong. Some of you, there's this third party involved. Some of you, ikaw yung third party. Ayaw natin yon. Pero, bakit kasi siya magtatago na mga pwede namang i-open? Okay, there's this issue. There's issue here. Pwede naman Pwede namang maging open sa'yo yung person, pero talagang hindi niya ginagawa yon. Pinaghahanap ka pa. Pinag-iisip ka pa. Pinag-overthink ka pa. Then, why? What is their emotion? Let's see. Ten of Wands in reversed. Seryoso ba yun? I don't think so. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, they have family issue or they have commitment issues. Okay? They can't commit. Hirap sa commitments to. Kung ikaw nakikitaan ka niya na parang sobrang clingy mo, sobrang attached mo, tumatakbo itong taong to palayo sa'yo. The world. Tatakbo yan. The devil. This is toxic. You're not real. You're not genuine. Okay? Lagi ka na lang naghahanap dito in general. Let's see. What is your next action? Ngayong May. Anong meron ngayong May? Days of Wands. Yan na naman sila. Some of you, pwedeng sex-based yung connection nyo. Okay? King of Cups. Gagamitin na naman nito yung pagiging attached mo sa kanya. Yung panghahabol na ginagawa mo. Ay, hindi po ako naghahabol. So, kapag ganun na, hindi ka naghahabol, then this is not for you. Better luck next read. Okay, bye. Ganun lang. Huwag natin pa gawing komplikado. If this is not your read, then, diba? This is not your read. Ganun lang. They will try to seduce you. Some of them. They will try na mag-hook muli sa'yo. They will try na ma-attach ka muli. or lalo kang ma-attach sa kanya. Here they come with a love offer. Pero is that true? I don't think so. I don't think so. See? The 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Sabihin natin sa umpisa lang, hindi magiging consistent. Death is here in reverse. The 7 of Pentacles in reverse. This is a time waster. Please. Please. This is a time waster. Ay nahanap mo, papakita yan. Okay? Magpapakita yan. Magbibigay. Breadcrumb. Love bombing. Okay? Pero magbibigay at iiwan pa rin ng malaking question mark sa'yo. So, anong potential outcome or advice for you, collectives? Don't just, sabihin natin, just don't give an F. Don't give an F. Ano po yun? Huwag mo na pag-aksayahan to. Opo. Why? Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Antindi nito. Okay, some of you talagang may pamilyang involved to. Okay, kung hindi mo alam. This is somebody na may anak, may asawa. Emperor. Pero yan, pag nakabaliktad, they're the cheater, the liar, the manipulator. So, why give an F? Diba? Why settle? Bakit ka pa mag-expect? Bakit ka pa hihingi ng kung ano? Hindi to magbibigay. No, hindi yan magbibigay ng kailangan mo. Yes, bare minimum. The bare minimum. Okay na ba sa'yo yun? Bare minimum? Pero ikaw, unconditional ang binibigay mo sa kanya. Sila, with condition. Okay? So, yeah, you don't trust them. Or maybe, don't trust them. Okay? So, there. Well, talagang madali tayong mapapaikot kapag emosyon yung nagana sa atin. Madalas. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives, for this coming month of May. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.